Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. We got a new month, we got a new theme, and it's all about hurrying up. 大家在赶时间的时候，快要迟到了，还要赶去哪里，都会说快一点，快一点啊！
快点！
快点啦！How do you say hurry up? We're going to teach you all about it.
夾掉
誒。哦，夾掉誒，快啲，那是廣東話。那客家話就是夾掉誒，就是快一點了。
對，
好，有的時候在趕車，尤其是火車，因為它都很準時會開。
對呀，
對不對？
沒搭到就沒了。
是6點12分，就是6點11分，你最好給我上到這個火車上了。
10分就好上了。
A train hardly gets delayed, and they're on schedule. So when you're late for a train departure, you would say, "Hurry up, the train is leaving," right? 好，我们现在来教大家怎么说，火车快来了，快點。
火車就要來了。
火車就要來了。
夾掉誒。
OK， 火車就是火車。
對，那海陸腔的火車，火車。
Okay, those are two different ways, very similar, of saying the train. And it all means the train is about to arrive or about to leave, in this case, hurry up. 然后有的时候在赶车的时候，就有人会说要買東西啊。
對，買水。
買水啊，買個零食啊，可能覺得還有5分鐘可以啦，對不對？但是要快啊。Okay, let's put you in a scenario where you just want to go buy something before you get on the train. So, 我買瓶水，馬上來。Let me go get some water. I'll be right back.
嗌來買罐水。
念四來是
馬上就來了。
Oh, I'll be right here. 念四來 That means I'll be right here.
就跟着就來了。
這蠻好用的耶，這跟快點一樣好用哦，就是馬上就來哈。但前面說我買瓶水嘛，對不對？All right, that means I bought a bottle of water. 水就水 and then I'll be right here. 當然你的回答可能就是動作快一點啦，應該是這種恰北北的感覺哦。
真的嗎？我看起來那麼兇啊！
來，怎麼說 ？Hurry up 啦！
速叫夾掉啊！
速叫夾掉啊！就速叫啊！
就是手腳快一點啊，動作快一點。
哦，是這樣子啊。Okay, hurry up, get yourself here, get your action on. Basically, that's what it is. Okay, let's review some of these vocab like the train 火車。火車 I'll be right here 馬上來念四來 and it's all about 快點夾掉一定要念那麼快哦夾掉 and that's for today's Practical Hakka
什麼大家
漢字細章來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.